Ever wondered why your hair feels dry and lifeless after a day in the sun? You might be surprised to learn that the sun can be your hair's worst enemy. In this video, we'll uncover the hidden signs of sun-damaged hair and how you can protect your precious locks. Stay tuned. Hello, beautiful souls. You're here at Perla Chemo Merch, the comforting corner of YouTube, where we embrace the reality of hair loss, celebrate resilience, and offer fabulous headwear solutions for our chemo and alopecia champions. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a long-time supporter, we're thrilled to have you as part of our empathetic, caring community. Operating from home, we're zealous about designing head coverings that don't just follow fashion trends, but also inspire a feeling of confidence and positivity. But we're more than just about headwear. We're here to talk about everything from managing hair loss, improving hair health, to discovering that perfect headpiece that resonates with your distinctive style. So, make yourself comfortable, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this empowering journey together. Don't forget to check our website, perlacmomerch.com, to explore our latest collection. Now let's dive into a topic that impacts everyone but is often overlooked: sun-damaged hair. Yes, even if you're experiencing hair loss, grasping the effect of the sun on your hair health is crucial. Are you ready? Let's get started. You might be wondering, have I seen signs of sun damage in my own hair? And we're here to help you answer that. Today, we're throwing some much needed light on a silent culprit of hair damage, the sun. Surprised? Just like our skin, our hair too is at the mercy of the sun's excessive exposure. But remember, hair health isn't just about looking good. It's a vital part of our overall well-being, playing a significant role in shaping our personal appearance and boosting self-confidence. Now, imagine your hair radiating a natural shine that no artificial product can match. But when it's exposed to the sun, this shine and vitality can get lost. That's why taking care of your hair is as much about prevention as it is about repair. So, have you noticed any signs of sun damage in your hair? Let's get proactive and recognize these signs early on to better protect and nurture our hair. You ready? Let's dive in and uncover the 5 signs that might indicate your hair is suffering from sun damage. It's time to reveal the telltale signs of sun-damaged hair. Are you ready? Firstly, we have dryness. If your hair feels parched and straw-like, it's a clear indication that it's been overexposed to the sun. The sun's ultraviolet rays can strip your hair of its natural oils, leaving it devoid of moisture and appearing lifeless. Moving on to the second sign, split ends. If you're noticing a lot of frayed ends, it could be a consequence of sun damage. The sun's rays can cause the protective outer layer of your hair strands to break down, leading to the formation of split ends. Next up, discoloration. If your hair color seems to have faded or changed, particularly if you have dyed hair, the sun could be the culprit. The sun's rays can bleach your hair, altering its natural or dyed color and leaving it looking washed out. The fourth sign is brittle or weak strands. Sun-damaged hair can become weak and prone to breakage. If your hair snaps easily when you brush or style it, or if it feels brittle to the touch, it's likely suffering from sun damage. Lastly, we have excessive tangling. If your hair is getting tangled more often than usual, it might be due to sun damage. When the hair's cuticle is damaged by the sun, the strands can become rough and prone to knotting. By now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal? So it's a bit dry and tangled. But sun damage isn't just about aesthetics. It can weaken your hair over time, making it more susceptible to further damage and breakage. So it's important to recognize these signs early and take steps to protect your hair. If you've noticed any of these signs in your hair, it's possible that sun damage is the culprit. Worried about sun damage to your hair? Don't fret. There are several effective prevention methods you can adopt. Let's dive into some of these methods. Firstly, consider wearing a hat during peak sun hours. That's usually between 10 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. A hat acts as a physical barrier, blocking the sun's harmful rays and providing immediate protection for your hair. Next, we have sun protective hair products. These are specially formulated products that contain UV filters to shield your hair from the sun. They work like sunscreen for your hair, absorbing or reflecting the sun's harmful UV rays. Staying hydrated is another crucial prevention method. When you're dehydrated, your hair can become dry and brittle, making it more susceptible to sun damage. So, ensure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Lastly, keeping your hair conditioned is key. Regularly conditioning your hair helps to maintain its moisture, balance, preventing dryness and brittleness. It can also act as a protective layer, helping to shield your hair from the sun's damaging effects. Implementing these prevention methods can go a long way in protecting your hair from sun damage. But remember, it's not just about prevention. Regular checks for signs of sun damage and seeking professional advice when needed is equally important. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to protecting your hair from the harsh effects of the sun. Sun-damaged hair is a common issue, but with the right knowledge and preventative measures, it's entirely avoidable. Today, we've identified the 5 telltale signs of sun damage and explored effective prevention methods. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. So, let's take the initiative to protect our hair from the harsh rays of the sun. If you have sun damage on your hair, we encourage you to share your experience and any preventive measures you took in the comment section below. Your insights may help someone else. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Together, we can keep our hair healthy and beautiful no matter the weather. Thanks for watching.